Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I've got this lovely, another package from Spain, from the lovely guys at Andromeda Moto. And today we have the Rocket jeans, riding jeans. So this is going to be an unboxing, well, an unbagging video, and my first impressions. As you can see, they're still sealed, so your guess is as good as mine of what they're going to look like, apart from what's on the website. So here we go. There's some wrapping. Sort that out later. So my current riding jeans, I've got two pairs. I've got the Road Skin Paranoid and Road Skin Easy Riders. So that's what I'll be comparing to. They've been my favourite riding jeans I've ever owned, and I've owned a few over the years, some better than others. So first things first, let's have a look at the quality of it together. They look really nice, I like that. Proper black pair of jeans as well, no wishy-washy here. Yeah, I like them, I like the look. They look nice. Look a bit long, but I believe they're designed to be turned up. And you've got the armour in all the usual places. Let's go over some of these specs first. So that's what they look like. So the Rocket jeans currently, beginning of January 2025, in the UK they are £243. They are AAA certified. They're made from a single layer of UHMWPE, which is ultra high molecular weight polyethylene. I hope I said that right. So Andromeda claim that these pants stand out for their exceptional tear and abrasion resistance, guaranteeing your protection even in the most extreme conditions. I don't believe they're claimed waterproof, and as they're a single layer, they're going to be definitely more of a summer pair of jeans. So interestingly, they have coccyx protector. I've never had that in a pair of riding jeans before, so that's going to be interesting. I wonder what that's going to feel like in practice. The armour itself feels soft and pliable. Coccyx one is a bit stiffer, but everywhere else that feels really proud. That does feel like it's going to be comfortable. Some things to note on the jeans: you have a little belt clip here, which is a nice little addition. The pockets are quite deep actually. You can fit quite a bit of stuff in there actually. I'm losing my hands in there. The little pocket here as well, and got your back pockets as well. Yeah, very, as usual with Andromeda kit. It's they look very, very practical. And here we are with the jeans actually on me, and they feel really nice actually. Got no complaints. That armour feels really nice, especially in comparison to the ones in my Road Skin jeans. So I think these are going to be really comfortable on the bike. The length is a bit long at the bottom, but they are designed to be turned up, but I don't think they're going to fit over your riding boots. Definitely not. So they are going to be actually turned up and worn inside your boots. Aside from that, that's the only complaint I would give. Just got to let Benji in. Hello Benji. Yeah, that would be my only complaint, that I prefer to wear my jeans over my my boots, and I don't think you're going to be able to do that with these. But yeah, they are designed to be turned up. But yeah, fit and finish, first impressions, no problems at all. They look really nice, they feel good, they feel quality. Yeah, so it's currently about 5 degrees here in the UK. You can see it's been snowing, so probably not going to be able to wear these for another couple of months at least on a bike. And yeah, we shall see what it's like then. But for now, very, very happy with these. They're going to be a perfect pair of summer jeans. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.